Hello, today we will guide you through where does NotebookLM save files. If you've been using NotebookLM and wondering where your documents, notes, and saved work actually live, this walkthrough will help clarify how it works. The key thing to understand is that NotebookLM is tied to your Google account, and your notebooks are designed to be easy to return to whenever you need them. To begin, go to NotebookLM in your web browser. Once the site loads, sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. This is important because your notebooks and saved activity are connected to that account. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you're in the correct one so you can access the notebooks you expect to see. After that, create a new notebook or open an existing one. If you've already been working in NotebookLM, you can simply select the notebook you want from the home screen. If you're starting fresh, create a new notebook to begin organizing your documents and research. This notebook acts like a workspace where your sources, summaries, and AI-generated outputs are kept together. Next, upload or add your sources. You can bring in files from Google Drive, upload documents directly, or paste in links depending on what you want NotebookLM to work with. This is where the storage question becomes clearer. NotebookLM stores references to these sources inside the notebook, so the notebook remembers what materials are connected to your project. In other words, your notebook keeps track of the sources you add, while the original files may still remain in their original location, such as Google Drive or wherever they were uploaded from. That makes it easier to manage research without moving everything into a separate folder manually. Finally, access your saved notebook whenever you need it. Your notebook, along with its AI-generated notes and related content, is automatically saved to your Google account. That means you can come back to NotebookLM later, open the same account, and continue where you left off. This automatic saving is especially helpful because you don't need to worry about manually saving every change as you work. As a helpful tip, if you ever can't find a notebook, first confirm that you're signed into the same Google account you used when you created it. In most cases, that's the reason a notebook seems to be missing. That's how NotebookLM saves your work. Your notebooks and generated notes are saved within your Google account, while your added source files are linked and referenced inside the notebook for easy access.